How to change time zone in the Bereal app. If you have been using the Bereal application and wondering on how to change your time zone on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the bottom, just right here. Tap on it. Then you will find something like this on your profile. Now tap on to settings at the top, just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find time zone, just right here. Now select it. Now to change it, simply tap onto one of these that you want to add your time zone to. Now here you can see you can only change your time zone once a day. So you can see I have already changed my time zone. Then simply choose one of your time zones, then simply tap on to save, just right here. And after that your time zone will be changed. And that's it. This is how you can change your time zone in the Bereal app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.